Well, it's boxerds day. Probably should be tearing apart my truck, but nothing's open to get parts today anyway, so we'll take the red dragoon. See if we can't get all fucked over on the side of the words and completely dinkest. Oh, that's nice. Eh? That's nice. Get some of John Luke's tools that he left in here. Oh, look at that. Freaking snapping screwdriver. My new one. Eh? Ooh, there's the smoke. Eh? Runs mint. Hey, that don't smoke. What the fuck are you talking about? All the screws and fixings all over the floor and stuff. Come on! Come on! Oh, check this out too. The socket. Yeah. Oh, you don't say. Squishy! Holy dicks. Christmas is just pandemoniums. Sylvanatus dicks that can't park and friggin' other dually Sylvanatus dicks waiting for me. Oh, goodness gracious. You found one?
$15.
Oh, button. I apologize.
I found one for 15.
Is it the right one?
I don't know.
Oh, that's an Xbox. I heard about those. Oh, goodness gracious. By the time I get down there, I'll probably get frigged over. Oh, that's awesome. You did it. You did it.
We can help you down on this side if you want.
We did it.
Yeah.
Yes.
We got through the madness.
Oh, MasterCard does not work for tap.
That's enough. Totally fucking pay for your shit. How many?
$5 off.
Squishy! Goodness gracious. Bark? That's enough. I don't even have any Boxing Day spectaculars. That one doesn't look like it's having too good of a time. It's a playing crab. Better be careful I don't violate anybody's rights. Eh? Oh, look at that one. He's just high as fuck. Look at him. Hey, man. How's it going, man? Oh, a little ick fishy. Oh, and that one's got it too. Great. His fin's like folded in half. No go. He loves getting pats. Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go drive the red dragoon. Oh, goodness gracious. Somebody had a tinkle. Eh? Somebody had a terrible tinkle. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, it just reeks too. That's fucking horrible. Put the dog piss on the floor sign by it. There you go. Oh my fucking goodness gracious. Terrible sickness. Oh, they're only $90. Let's get two. Oh goodness, the smell of urine is just fucking terrific. I just love urine.
Dirty with a cute.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's a little sheep one.
Baba, terrible sheepdog, real bad.
Terrible.
Oh my fucking goodness, tip a word.
You gotta just stop at it like a store or something.
Fuck's sake, tip a word. Oh, for fuck's sake, tip a word. Tip a word, for fuck's sake, tip a word. Sweaty as fuck, terrible. And pooping in the toilet. Tip a word. It's enough. scoop those fucking boxes out of that guy's truck.
How much? That's a large.
What do I need?
Well, you wear an extra large.
Well, there's a medium and a large, so it's...
Is there any way of, is there an out there to size?
Nope. But anyways, we went out just looking for a couple deals on a couple things, and Tipperward got some fish shit, and I ended up with a friggin' Watme sweater, but it's, is it too big? I had a large in my hand. Tipperward's like, you wear extra large. So the only one they had extra large was a gray, and it's extra large, so it's huge and gray. And I want, so I gotta take that back, get a large black, for frig's sakes. But you know, the old lady, whatever, Red Dragoon, how you doing? Third gear is like probably shouldn't have tucked it out. It was grinding pretty good and stuff. So yeah, we got an appointment for the trammy deck, and then we'll see what this other guy says. But probably gonna end up, you know, maybe just bringing it. You know, if this guy does good with the 97, we'll bring the 03 in and have him just have a look at it. Anyways, rip it out, tear it apart. What happened? What's wrong with it? What's making that huge noise, and where's the leak coming from? You know what I mean? So yeah, maybe, or maybe the deck at Goofomatics only will just fix the fucking thing. Who knows? But probably not, because he's a fucking goof, right? And you know what goofs are. They're pieces of shit. So, anyways, should have known better. Take fucking anybody and shit Thomas, but my pliance, you know what I mean? My pliance. Anyways, don't forget the patriotics. We got the gritties on there, some terrible, and that really does help out, and appreciate it big time. And we got a special fucking treat for the patriotics coming up here soon. Friggin' don't want to spoil it, but he's got a huge hammer, and you'll be able to friggin' tell what day of the fucking month it is. So that's going to be coming up, but it's probably only going to be available to the Patreonics. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Limited supply. We'll see how it goes. Maybe next year. You know, we'll see how it goes this year. Maybe next year we'll fire up a whole different sexy line of Nelsipini calendars. It'll be awesome as fuck. But yeah, if that doesn't entice you into the being of the Patriotics, I don't know what will. There's no hope. There's no hope for you. If the Nelsipini calendar isn't going to get you the Patrons, nothing will. And don't forget, we only got a couple days left on the OnePuckGuy.com sale extravaganza Sound Terrible, so you're going to want to jump on that big time, really bad, and spend all your Christmas monies on OnePuckLife.com shit. Fucking right, man. It'll be awesome. But anyways, I got to go. I got other shit I got to do, so fuck, but I really appreciate you guys. I hope you had a fucking Merry Christmas, and New Year's coming up. Make sure you don't get pinched by the Federonskis, just Deckard. You know what I mean? You want to get a designated McSiggard on that accord, but anyways, what a finger fudgeki. A couple of inches from earlier in the week, but there you go, another Dick Power Warm Doctor. Until tomorrow.
Don't the waters get you.